Hi there. This is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Hope life is treating you well. Thank you for watching this clip on evaluating an integral. Let's find indefinite integral first, and then we're going to evaluate 0 to 1, because that's where the interesting part of this problem is. Right? Now this one, we're going to, of course, use variable substitution. U equal to y minus x, then du is equal to minus dx. Okay, so what I have over here then, I have minus du for the first one, then x becomes y minus u, and then times u to the half. So now remember, by definition, u to the half is equal to u, and 2 is over here. Now someone literally made this one up, so a fraction is by definition how we do the taking the roots. All right, so from here it's relatively easy so long we keep track of signs and don't make any silly mistakes, which is actually hard to do than what you think. All right, so I have a du here. U, this is 1. 1 plus half, we'll have 3.5 minus, I'm going to split those two integrals up, u to the half. All right. And then I have u, 3/2 plus 1, that's 5.5, divided by whatever the power is, which is 5 over 2, minus u to the 2/3 over 3 over 2. The reason is when you integrate it, you add. When you take a derivative, you subtract. That's a relatively easy thing to remember. Now let's see, how do we best integrate or evaluate this thing? Let's flip this one over. So it's 2 over 5 u to the 5 over 2 minus 2 over 3 u to the 3 over 2. Now, a lot of students at this point is thinking, well, this is pretty close enough. Mathematicians, on the other hand, have a weird sense of final answer. So I would think next thing we're going to do is we'll pull out the 2. That's in common. We'll take u, 3.5 out, and then 5 over 1, u to the 1 is left for the first term. If not quite sure, is multiply them together, you have 2 over 5, u to the 5 over 2. You have that one back, and then this one, I would have 1/3 left, because this u thing, u to the 2/3 is taken outside. So we're almost there. Now let's put whatever u was before, y minus x, 3 over 2, and 1 over 5. Let's put u on top, so 1 minus x minus 1 over 3. Doesn't look too bad. 2 times 1 minus x, 3 over 2. And then here, let's find a common multiple, which is 15 on the bottom, and then you have 3x, 3 minus 3x minus 5. So I have actually two negative signs. Minus 3x minus 2, everything over 15. All right, so basically I changed all the adding and subtracting into a multiplication. I don't know how pretty it is, but this is what we mostly common things we do. 1 minus x, 3 over 2, and then let's say I have a minus sign. Let's put it outside over here. Let's squeeze over there. So I have a 3x plus 2 over 15. Okay, now evaluated 1x from 0 to 1. Okay, so let's see. When x equal to 0, we have something. When x equal to 1, this term goes away. Okay, so this is actually good. So this integral 0 to 1 dx x times y minus radical x is going to equal to, first term is going to be 0 minus 2 over 15 times 1 to the 3.5, which is really 1, and 0 times, so this is 2, and I think I missed the, this is not 15. My apologies. So this is actually just a 2 over 1. So the final answer from here is minus minus is a plus, 4 over 15. Okay, that's the final answer. It's not too bad. It's a little messy, but it's not too bad. I made a little error here, but you should see that this 15 is only going under once, not twice over here. So hopefully didn't confuse you over there. All right, that's how we handle this integral. Once again, from Tucson, Arizona, this is Dr. Pan making learning math fun, at least trying to. If the video has been helpful, I would appreciate a comment or a thumb up. Until next time, have a confident day.